Today we will be comparing the Movo VXR10 with the Takstar SGC-598. Hi, my name's Matt and recently I've started a new business and I thought I'd document that whole process so you can learn from my successes and avoid my mistakes. If that sounds like your cup of tea, do me a favor and subscribe. Now, in my last gear review, I've compared the Zoom F2 with the Zoom H1N. And I thought, well, some people like cheap shotgun mics that they can mount on top of the camera. And since I have these two laying around here, I thought I'd compare them. Both of them are about 30 euros and 40 euros, so really cheap alternatives to the Rode VideoMicro, and the Rode VideoMic Pro is the name, I think. So I'm gonna mount them to the camera and switch audio from one to the other and compare them. Now you hear the audio from the Movo VXR10, straight recording onto the micro SD card. And this is the audio quality you'll get. Audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. This is the Movo VXR10. And this is the audio coming straight from the Takstar SGC-598. Audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. This is the audio from the Takstar SGC-598. And for comparison, let's throw in the Zoom F2, which is recording right now. Audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. This is the Zoom F2. Now, I would never use this shotgun mounted mic setup for the type of videos I make. But for vlogging style videos, this is probably the best option you can have. So let's go outside with windy noise and road noises and see how these microphones hold up. Now I'm sitting outside and this is the Takstar SGC-598 audio recording with wind noise and the road noise below me. And as you can hear, the audio quality is quite different from before. So audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. This is the Takstar SGC-593. And now I've mounted the Movo VXR10 to the camera. And the wind has picked up quite a bit. So the additional dead cat on the microphone will probably come in handy. So this is the audio test of the VXR10. Audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. And I'm about an arm length away from the camera in both setting. And just to give this the complete comparison, this now is the Zoom F2 recording. Audio test 1, 2, 3, audio test 1, 2, 3. This is the Zoom F2 recording. So we're back inside and you can probably tell that the audio quality has changed again. This is the Movo VXR10 recording right now. And this is the audio you will get again. Now, which microphone is better? In my opinion, I prefer the ease of use with the Movo VXR10 because all I have to do is plug it in and I'm good to go. With the Takstar, you always have to rely on battery. And if the battery dies, you won't even notice because all you get is a small blinking light on the back of the Movo. And when you're recording yourself, you can't tell if that light is blinking or not. In comparison, you get a few extra dials where you can set the sensitivity of the microphone and so forth. But I always leave this in standard mode. So there you have the audio quality test. Build quality, the same on both. Reliability, I'd give that to the Movo, and overall sound quality you can judge for yourself. All audio in this video wasn't post-processed, so this is what you get straight out of the box.